My move to Adelaide was inspired by my sister who built her career here. I saw Adelaide's vibrant hospitality scene as the perfect fit. It felt like a practical and natural next step. I chose TAFE SA because I wanted to experience hands-on learning and build on my existing knowledge. They provided me with well-structured programs that taught industry standards with skills that helped us transfer easily into the workplace. Adelaide's Lab of Hospitality means our institution are always on the cutting edge of trends and constantly innovating. These classes are taught by professionals with real-world experience and keep students up to date with how hospitality industry is constantly evolving. I then completed a Certificate 4 in Kitchen Management, followed by a Diploma in Hospitality. Currently, I'm continuing my studies and will begin my Bachelor in Hospitality Management. Meeting new people pushed me out of my comfort zone, but it's been one of the most rewarding parts of my study journey. I met some of my closest friends through the TAFE orientation program, which provided a great environment for connections and networking. The instructors were incredibly supportive and approachable, and building relationships with them helped me grow my professional network. I also made friends from a wide range of backgrounds at StudyAdelaide events. One highlight was attending Student Fest 2024, a fantastic event where I could meet new people, celebrate student life, and enjoy the vibrant atmosphere. It really helped me feel more connected to the international student community. Every connection I made helped me grow, and thanks to those networks, I'm now working as an assistant pizza chef at One Sneaky Cheetah. The open kitchen setup boosts my confidence and helps me thrive under pressure. When I'm not cooking up a storm, I love exploring Adelaide's beautiful outdoors. You can find me at the beach at any time of the year, whether I'm swimming, relaxing, or just watching the sunsets. We're spoiled for the beautiful natural landscapes here, and my friends and I often go hiking, walking to take in the scenic views. Adelaide has brought me closer to my dream career. Studying here allowed me to develop my skills in a city that values innovation and excellence in the hospitality industry. I can't wait to explore more exciting opportunities in the future.